Here's a small parcel of small pieces of Boulder Opal, mostly offcuts from larger stones, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. Okay, I've zoomed in. Some of these more colour on it. Not that piece has just got a little bit on the side there. Others like this. Nice stone. Some of this material still has mud on it, unfortunately. The more you wash it, the more it seems to come off it. Some of these pieces that are turned over haven't been put up the right way. I think it's safe to say that I think nearly every piece has got some sort of opal on it. Some are better than others. I think that gives you a bit of an idea. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.